In an unexpected turn of events, Wojciech Szczesny is on the brink of joining FC Barcelona as reports of his advanced negotiations with the Catalan club surface. At 34 years old, the seasoned Polish goalkeeper is viewed as the prime candidate to temporarily fill the void left by the injured Marc-Andre Ter Stegen. Szczesny, who recently bid farewell to Juventus, has found himself at the center of transfer speculations, which he addressed with careful neutrality. Currently enjoying family time in Marbella, Szczesny was approached by Mundo Deportivo to comment on the potential move. While offering his best wishes to his injured counterpart, the goalkeeper remained tight-lipped about his own future. "I just hope that Marc recovers soon. He's a good friend and a great goalkeeper, and I wish him the best. That's the only thing I can comment on," he remarked. Despite his initial plans to retire following the end of his Juventus contract, Barcelona's proposal seems to have swayed Szczesny to reconsider. Sources reveal that the Blaugrana's management has put forth a deal tailored for the ongoing season, and both parties are expediting the finalizing process. A critical element in these negotiations is ensuring that Szczesny's salary, speculated to be around €3 million gross with potential bonuses, aligns with the club's financial constraints. If finalized, this transfer will see Szczesny return to the field, providing Barcelona with much-needed coverage in the wake of Ter Stegen's extended recovery from a patellar tendon injury.